leratole, leratole, leratole. Leratole ke tswang mo go lone le nthaya le re ke ikgopole. Ke ipitlhetse ke ineetse mo go lone ka gore leratole ke se ke leng sone go ya go ileng. Le wena. Bear with me as I bear it all. With a touch on my chest, I direct you to the core of it all. Fire factor, storyteller, main actor. Welcome to the chronicles of an unbound traveler, casting spells, forming pearls to go hand in hand with the spiritual letter. Reporting live from my other home planet, adding rhythm to the poem, dressing it up in purple garments. Building everlasting monuments with some of the truth that I've harnessed. Power from the tower, Manna, I devour at this very hour. At your disposal, tap in, do best and kill it, ntwana. Will this piece maintain the same energy as when I first wrote it? Reminiscing on that first recital with Mr. Host, Odin. The spark is coming out regardless of how I choose to quote it. And therefore, this piece will maintain the same energy as when I first wrote it. Ignited. I appear so as to lead you to the furnace, the bonfire. At least now I'm part of your conscious awareness, here to consume you, and that will be because you let me. Flirt with me and be ready to burn. Hell's fire, your ashes in an urn, signifying the courageous life that you lived. Life becomes magical when you dare to live. Through me, you can achieve anything. With me, you have achieved everything. Your desires are rooted in the strength of your light. With my power, you are propelled to greater heights. First you are cleansed, then reborn. As you rise in power, the earth experiences a new dawn. My coalition with divine inspiration is for your ultimate greatness. After all, you engaged us long ago to aid you through the ages.
Coco, hey, kan tawar sana hello nager. Coco duelang batu. Just here for some pictures, nyana, for a little art. We'll leave it as clean as you found it.
In the beginning was the Word. From the Word came the point of no return. The Word was loud and the Word was clear. Build your world, create your legacy. The time is now. Harness the energy. In the beginning was the Word. The Word was the vibration. From the vibration came the sound. With the sound came the light, emancipation. The Word was the uttering heard in distant lands. It shrunk the distance between them significantly. Those who heard it were reborn. Those who felt it were reborn. The ancient trees speak and comprehend it as well. So does the rest of nature. As the foundation is laid, remember to ask the Word for a favor. In the beginning was the Word, and in the end will be the Word.